that.
Alright, today I'm trying to try
and another
the breakout
rectangle.
rooms and how it works in every team. So each
And,
team we're
or you
given
could
a
do
task to do, a leader and a presenter and a share, the person who's gonna share later on. So I'm gonna browse in
I'm
his
thinking
room.
that if you move this.
So this is my breakout room 1, and I made one of them to be the presenter.
Hi. Oh, hi.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
I'm good. We're on the example 1.
Alright
Hi.
guys. Do you like?
If you have plates, it's gonna break.
Do you like to work as a group like this way?
It's not bad. It's nice. Yeah, it's not bad.
Alright. So I'll come back to you guys. If you need help, just raise your hand. Okay. I'll go to other group too. Right. See you guys. Bye.
Answer.
36.
So this group are trying to watch the video that we have. So Omar is my leader for the group, and later on Alana will be the one
Add the areas.
Share.
6 plus 6 plus 24 equals 36. The area of the patio is 36 square meters.
Let's look at breakout room 3. So this group is already fast. They're already in question number 3. They're a little bit faster. So let me ask them. How are you doing, guys?
Oh, we're working on this one.
Alright, do you need help? Do you need help, or you guys could manage to answer this question?
For now, we're pretty much okay with it.
Alright, so if you need help, raise your hand, okay?
Okay.
Alright, and I'll come back to your room. Alright, see you in a bit. Now I'm going to group 4, breakout room 4. Let me see what they're doing. There's still an example number 2. Let's see how they solve this problem.
So we subtract the outside area and then the inside area.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, how are you doing?
Really good.
So I heard you guys subtracting the inside area. Scroll up, Briar. In this group it's Briar and
No, it's Jin.
and Jin. Oh, it's Jin. So why do you subtract the area again? You said you find in the area of the garden.
They're asking for the area of the path, so we are subtracting the area that is outside the garden, and then we're subtracting it from the area inside the garden.
Why are we subtracting it?
To find the how the area of the path.
So why can't we add? I have a silly question, but answer it anyway.
If we add it, there will be like the longer path. We won't find the exact area of the path.
All right, Angelina, do you agree with what Urain said? Or Vicky?
Yeah, I would like to add on that, you're not supposed to add, because if you add it, then you're basically finding the area of the entire garden.
Very
and
good.
you just want the path.
Correct, that's true. All right, guys, keep working. All right, I'll be back. I'll just visit the other group too, okay? And if you need help, just raise your hand. I'll be there. All right, see you in a bit.
Using you? Okay. Hello, Miss Gongora.
Hello.
And I am pretty much.
Hello. So, how are you doing? You guys done?
No. On number 3, try it.
Okay, so would you like to present your number 3?
We're working on it right now.
All right, so let me know if you need help, and I'll jump into you guys, okay?
Okay.
All right, okay.
Of the parallelogram.
Okay.
Also, I'm gonna label them.
But I think we should find the area of the white spot in the middle and then find the area of the blue spots and then subtract the white spots from the blue spots.
Okay, we could do that too. I'm gonna also mark. I'm going to mark the floating.
Oh, go back to the screen. Yes, make it bigger like the way you did it. I like it, so I could see. So there you go. So with this one, once you find, you need to find the area, right? So you need to find the base and the height. So what do you think is, since you're working on the smaller parallelogram, what is the base? What is the base of your parallelogram?
I'm going to 1, 2.
Make it smaller again. Okay, go ahead. What's the base of your of the smaller Eugia? You have 5 units for the smaller one. Remember, okay, okay, that's it. Stop it for, yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. So where is it now? You are going to find, let's start with the bigger one. So the bigger one has the base. What's the base? 4 units of the heights for the big one. So what is the base of the big one?
The big
So
one,
you're gonna have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you have 5 units for the big one. And what's the height for the big one?
From here to here, right?
Yes, correct. All the way up. There you go. So how much is that?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice. So you have the parallelogram of the big one. So you have 5 for the base and 4 for the height. How about a smaller one? What's the base?
Is 2 for the
height
and 2 for the base.
Perfect.
Got it.
What are we gonna do with the area of those 2? Because you're just gonna be looking at the area of the smaller one. Your G already got the answer for us. So you find the area of the bigger one, take away the area of the small one. You guys are good. We have 2 minutes before we go back to our regular class. I mean, to the main room. So you guys work. I'll be back. Okay. So I'm back with group 1. We work on the same question, and I could see that they're sharing there. So that's nice. Quick question: did you guys agree to each other? This is how you're gonna solve this problem?
Yes.
Okay.
And Andy.
All right. We got 26 seconds, and we go back to the main room. Okay, guys?
Oh, okay.
All right.
She's different because the shape could have been like a different shape.
Okay.
And then she probably like reorganized it so that it's like squares. So it's easier to find the area.
Oh. So you move the 3 to, am I sharing my screen? You move this over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you were able to move this over here, and it becomes, so you could just have, that's a smart move too. That's nice. How about group 2? How did you figure out this answer?
We didn't really, like, we weren't solving the area.
You asked Selena, she was in group 2.
Oh, that
No,
was Selena.
Selena was in group 1. Selena was in group 1. I was in group 2.
Okay, Alana?
Yeah.
How did you figure out your group?
So for the answer, we put like that it was different because instead of putting it into one shape, she kept it as 3 separate shapes, like as it shows in that. Like she could have combined it into one big rectangle.
So, but in your group, what did you do?
We actually didn't really change it because like we found like it was 3 times 2, and since the left and right ones were identical, we just kept it the same. So it's like it was 6, so it would equal 12. So 6 and 6 would equal 12, and then 4 times 6 equals 24 meters. So it'd be 36, and which is actually the same. It's the same area as in the video thing.
Correct.
Like as in the example video.
You don't really need to move this over here. You could just solve it exactly as it is. So it's also okay. How about group? Yes, anybody would like to share group 3? Your group?
We did it a bit differently. We actually like thought
of doing cutting it in half the other way, because she did 3 and she could have done 2 of them.
All right.
2 of the blocks. So like we make top part one of the blocks and the bottom part one rectangle.
Oh, so you cut it here?
Yeah.
Okay. And then
we found that she did it a lot differently.
so you do 3 times 4 because this is 3. So you do 3 times 4, that gives you 12. And then this is gonna be 2 and this is 10.
And
So 10 times 3 gives you 30.
30.
And then 30 plus 12 is, will it give you the same answer, or did we get a wrong number?
Wait, it's 8
It
times
should be
3.
8 times 3 at the bottom, because 2 plus 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then
It's not 6. 6 is the height of the big rectangle. It's 2 plus 4 plus 2 to make the height. I mean, not the height, the base, except on top.
So this is gonna be 8.
8.
Okay. And this is gonna be, and you cut it here, and this is gonna be 3, and that's 3. So you're gonna have 12, and 8
And
times
24.
4 gives you
24.
24. And that will still give you the same answer. Correct?
Yeah, we just cut it in 2 ways so that it's a lot easier to cut it in.
That's nice. All right, so let's talk about question number 2. Group 4, how do you answer question number 4? Who's group 4?
This one or the other one?
Group 4, the other one. Let's do the next question. I think we're on question number, let's do 2. This question.
You don't really have to answer it. It just like shows you it.
So, okay, I'll start with group 4. How do you figure out this answer? I mean, this problem.
We figured this out by subtracting the outside path by the inside path, the area of the outside path and the inside path.
So the area of outside is 8 times 7, correct?
Yes.
And the area of inside is 4 times 3. So were you the group that I asked why do you have to subtract it?
Yes.
Okay, so can you reiterate it for the entire group? How did you figure out and why are you taking it out?
We were subtracting it because if we add it, we will add the whole path again. And if we subtract it, we will find the inside, the area of the inside path.
That's correct. Group 5, did you solve exactly the same?
Yeah.
So why did you take it away again? So that's why you take it out. You have to subtract it. Okay. Is there any group 6? Do we have group 6? We only have group 5 because I created you with 5 groups. How about the last question, the third question? Let's go back to group 3. How did you solve this problem, guys? Group 3? Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you for trying working with me with the groupings and the breakout rooms. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate them. All right, bye. I'll see you again next time. Enjoy. Bye bye.